This problem is from the Practice and Skills Workbook, page 137, problem number 5. Draw the image of the figure after each reflection. And this one's going to go across the y-axis. What I'm going to do on this to kind of get us started, here's our y-axis. So I'm gonna draw a line right there, just so we know exactly where that one is. Just to make it a little easier to go ahead and see. Okay, so there's our line. And I'm going to use green. Everything's going to be reflected across that y-axis. So first thing I'm going to take a look at is I've got this in, and if you notice, to get to the y-axis, it is one box over. So what I need to do is I need to make a point that is one box over. And since this is green, let's make this a different color. And I'm trying to be as accurate as possible, so I'm going to make it a little bit smaller here. So one box over, so I'm going to go one box over, and we're going to go ahead and fill that in right in here. And we're going to write down, that one's represented by n prime. Make it a little bit thicker. There we go. Okay, our next one's going to be this p right here. So we're going to go over, looks like 4, 5 spaces. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mark it. And then we're going to go ahead and label that. That's going to be P prime. Okay, our next one's going to be this Q. It looks like Q is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to go back 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead and mark that one. And we're going to refer to that one as our Q prime. And then our next one's going to be this M. And this M is a little bit tricky because it crosses the y-axis. Well, it looks like it crosses it by going over one space. So we're going to cross it over on this side by going over one space. And we're going to refer to that one as our M prime. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're just going to join each of those marks with a straight line. So let's start right here. Go to this point. Then I'm going to go over here, connect it. Go to this point, connect it, and then go over here to this point and connect this one right here. And this image that you see should be your image of this pre-image that's figured right there.